Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to get your profile link of WhatsApp so you can share it to anyone without needing the WhatsApp number. So stay tuned till the end to find out. First go to settings in the WhatsApp. Here you can see QR code sign next to your profile. Simply tap on it. Now you can either scan this QR code or tap on the share icon in the top right. Then copy it, and now you can share it to anyone. For example, if I want to share it, just paste it in the chat box and send it. Now they can scan the QR code in order to get your WhatsApp contact. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.